So what up, y'all? This is Night Rider. If you looked at the title, I got some monster fairings from monsterfairings.com. They sent me some fairings and asked me to do a review, and I was about to open it, but I figured we could open it together as a family. I think they're white. I haven't really got a good look at them because I started to open them. I was like, wait. So we gonna see what they talking about. They just messaged me on Instagram, was like, hey, we saw your channel, blah blah blah, can you do a review for our fairings? I was like, yes I can. Free stuff is always the best price, but you know, I'm gonna keep it real. If it's garbage, I'm gonna say it's garbage. But they sent it packaged up pretty nicely. I'll try to make this as quick as possible. Now, I did peek at it. It is, I'm pretty sure it's white. I didn't request any color. They just asked me, hey, you want a review? I was like, yeah. And then they sent me, oh, it's a nice deep gloss white. And from the touch and feel of it, this is very thick. This is sturdy. It's not bull crap. Now this, let's see, this is the outside of the wheel. This is the inside. So this little mark right here doesn't matter. But a beautiful gloss white. A blemish? No, it's just a little smudge. That's nice. Not gonna lie, it's nice. Let's set that down right there. Now, I'm gonna do a separate video when I put it on, and I'm gonna do my first walk around I've ever done of my bike, because I have to respect their business arrangement. Got to show it on the bike, so you guys will actually see me do a walk around. The first in what was it, going on 5 years I've been motorvlogging. This is a side fairing, I'm not sure which side yet, with the kanji symbol on it. This is the, wow. This is the left side. That is nice. I am not gonna lie. That is very nice. This is solid. Got the heat shield right there. It's painted, not a decal like some of the Hayabusas have been. Like mine is somewhat of a protruding decal. Okay, let's rip through this crap. This is the windshield, and this sucker is thick. I just actually had a crack in my windshield. This is a double bubble windshield. Black, and you can't see through it. Me personally, I don't prefer windshields that you can't see through, but that's just a personal preference. It doesn't speak to the quality, because this quality is actually better than my double bubble windshield. It's a lot thicker, and my double bubble just cracked, and I need to buy another one. It cracked right here, but this sucker is thick. Very good quality, actually. Now, I looked at the price for this online. I don't know if it's a constant price or if they have a sale, but right now the full fairing for this is $710, and I honestly don't know what all this comes with. I've never had to remove my entire fairing, so we're gonna find out together. Try and do this as quickly as possible. I know the attention span online is short, especially mine. So I'm gonna rip this off. Like, this is the front. It's nice. It's very nice. Set that right there. Move this over. This is the right side fairing. They package this up very nicely, nice and safe. Nothing touching each other to scratch up your fairings. Even though with white you won't see scratch that much, but if you have black like mine, any little speck you'll see. So they took great care to package this up. They asked me to let them know if anything came damaged or not, and thus far they seem very professional and meticulous about their packaging. If this was garbage, I'd tell you, but it is not. Now, I haven't put it on my bike yet, so I don't know about the fitment, but this is quality. And I'm glad, so I won't have to call their product crap. I don't hate just to hate, but I keep it real. You're not going to use me to sell some garbage, but if you selling something quality, I'll hype you up. This is the tail. Whoops. This is the tail. It's the booty. This Hayabusa booty. So again, it's all thick, good quality, thick gloss paint. Ooh, I'm gonna see. I'm not gonna sit it down on the floor. We'll put it on this plastic because the bottom is painted, whereas the other ones aren't. This is the Cowl. Now I think $710 for this isn't bad, actually. I've been told that OEM costs about $1,000, but plastic for these bikes are not cheap. For any bike aren't cheap, and the Hayabusa has more fairings than most bikes, which lends itself to be a custom bike because you can put so many designs and paintings on it. This is the Cowl. Looks different than mine. Ah, it is. This is different than my Cowl. Is it? No, it's the same. Slightly different, but it don't matter. This is the Cowl. Yeah, piece it together. Put that right there. That's it for that box. This box, let's go. What piece is this? Ah, the gas tank. I'm such an idiot. This helmet, I'm wearing my helmet because obviously it's a lot easier to do this using both my hands instead of trying to hold the camera. And I'm not gonna have a camera far away because I'm not showing myself on camera, so. Jeez. I'm starting to sweat unpacking this stuff. They packed it very thoroughly. I don't know what these pieces are. I'll find out when I take my fairings off. But they included. Sorry, my stupid camera turned off. This GoPro's been acting up. I think I need to get a new one. I will know what these pieces are when I take my bike apart. And here is the gas tank. My gas tank is metal. This is not, which I guess, hey, you save some weight. Save a lot of weight, actually. So, we'll see. We'll see when I take it apart. But this doesn't feel like it's made out of the same thing as my gas tank. But it's a beautiful fairing kit. Here we go. There are all the pieces. Is all the pieces and everything? Yep. So this is a monster fairing kit, and I will probably post a video in another week of the stuff on my bike. So I gotta jet out of here because I gotta go, and my battery's dying anyway. So deuces.